Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.
May I borrow your pen for a moment?
Of course, you may borrow it.
May I sit here, or is this seat taken?
You may sit here, it's not taken.
May I see your ID, please?
Yes, you may see my ID, here it is.
May I use laptop to check my email?
Yes, you may use my laptop.
May I join you for lunch today?
Absolutely, you may join us for lunch.
May I turn in the assignment a day late?
Yes, you may turn it in a day late, but please don't make it a habit.
May I take a photo of this beautiful sunset?
Yes, you may take a photo.
May I work from home tomorrow?
Yes, you may work from home, but make sure to stay online.
May I try on this dress in a different size?
Yes, you may try on a different size.
May I see the menu, please?
Yes, you may see the menu. Here it is.
May I borrow car from the weekend?
Yes, you may borrow my car as long as you return it with a full tank.
May I take a day off next Friday?
You may take the day off, but please ensure your tasks are completed beforehand.
May we start the meeting a bit earlier tomorrow?
We may start the meeting earlier if everyone agrees.
May I have another slice of cake?
Yes, you may have another slice, but save some for others too.
May I use your computer to print some documents?
Sure, you may use my computer to print what you need.
May I invite a friend to join us for dinner?
Yes, you may invite your friend, the more, the merrier.
May I change the TV channel?
Yes, you may change the channel, just check if anyone else is watching first.
May I speak with the manager, please?
Yes, you may speak with the manager, I'll let them know you're here.
May we take our lunch break now?
You may take your lunch break now, but please be back in an hour.
May I leave the table now that I've finished my meal?
Yes, you may leave the table, but please take your plate to the sink.
May I ask you a personal question?
Yes, you may ask, but I might not answer if it's too personal.
May I park my car here overnight?
You may park your car here, but check for any parking restrictions.
May I join your group for the project?
Yes, you may join our group. We could use your expertise.
May I open the window? It's a bit stuffy in here.
Yes, you may open the window to let in some fresh air.
May I bring my dog to the office tomorrow?
You may bring your dog if it's well behaved and doesn't disturb others.
May I get a copy of the meeting minutes?
Yes, you may get a copy. I'll email it to you shortly.
May I switch seats with you?
Sure, you may switch seats with me if you prefer.
May I use your phone charger?
Yes, you may use my charger. It's over there on the desk.
May I accompany you on your trip to the store?
Yes, you may come with me. I'd appreciate the company.
May I turn in my assignment a day late?
You may turn it in late, but there might be a penalty for lateness.
Might we go to the park this afternoon?
We might go to the park if the weather improves.
Might she join us for dinner tonight?
She might join us if she finishes her work on time.
Might you help me move this furniture?
I might be able to help you later this afternoon.
Might the store have the item back in stock by next week?
They might, but you should call to confirm.
Might I be able to borrow your car tomorrow?
You might, but I'll need to use it in the morning.
Might we see the new movie this weekend?
We might, depending on our schedules.
Might I get a promotion this year?
You might, if you continue performing well.
Might we have another project assigned soon?
We might, as the boss hinted at it during the last meeting.
Might the traffic be lighter if we leave earlier?
It might be lighter, but there's no guarantee.
Might she come to the party after all?
She might come if she finds a babysitter.
Might I catch a cold if I don't wear a jacket?
You might catch a cold if the weather is chilly.
Must I finish this report by today?
Yes, you must finish it by the end of the day.
Must we wear formal attire to the meeting?
Yes, we must wear formal attire as it's a company policy.
Must I bring my ID to enter the building?
Yes, you must bring your ID for security reasons.
Must I turn off my phone during the movie?
Yes, you must turn off your phone to avoid disturbing others.
Must we clean up the room before leaving?
Yes, we must clean up to keep the place tidy.
Must I pay the bill immediately?
Yes, you must pay it immediately to avoid any late fees.
Must I take this medication with food?
Yes, you must take it with food to avoid stomach upset.
Must she attend the training session tomorrow?
Yes, she must attend as it is mandatory for all employees.
Must we finish the project before the deadline?
Yes, we must finish it to meet the client's expectations.
Should I have brought my umbrella today?
Yes, you should have brought it. It's raining now.
Should we have left the house earlier to avoid traffic?
Yes, we should have left earlier. Now we're stuck in traffic.
Should she have called the doctor about her symptoms sooner?
Yes, she should have called the doctor earlier for advice.
Should I have double-checked my work before submitting it?
Yes, you should have double-checked to avoid any errors.
Should they have booked their tickets in advance?
Yes, they should have booked them earlier. Now they're sold out.
Should we have brought more snacks for the trip?
Yes, we should have brought more. We ran out too quickly.
Should I have studied harder for the exam?
Yes, you should have studied more to get a better grade.
Should we have invited more people to the party?
Yes, we should have invited more. The venue looks quite empty.
Should we have checked the weather forecast before planning the picnic?
Yes, we should have checked. Now it's raining.
Should I have saved more money for emergencies?
Yes, you should have saved more to be better prepared.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.